In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply credit memos to invoices in minutes in QuickBooks Online. Applying credit memos correctly is important because it ensures your customer balances and your accounts receivable reports are accurate. When a customer has a credit on their account, you want that credit to be matched to the right invoice instead of just sitting there unused. In QuickBooks Online, this process is handled through the Receive Payment screen, and once you know where to go, it only takes a few moments. Let's walk through it together from start to finish. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and head over to the main dashboard. At the top left of the screen, you'll see the big New button, usually labeled with a plus sign. Go ahead and click on that. This button is where QuickBooks keeps most of your transaction options. From the menu that appears, look for the Customers section and choose Receive Payment. This is the key step. Even though you're working with a credit memo, QuickBooks treats the application of that credit like a payment being applied to an invoice. Once the Receive Payment window opens, focus on the Customer field near the top. Click the drop-down and select the customer whose credit memo you want to apply. It's important to choose the correct customer here, because QuickBooks will only show you credit memos and invoices related to that specific customer. If you're not seeing the memo you expect, double-check that you've selected the right customer profile and that the credit memo has already been created. After you choose the customer, QuickBooks will automatically scan that customer's account and match available credits to open invoices. In most cases, it will automatically select the existing credit memo and apply it to the oldest open invoice first. You'll see this in the list of transactions in the lower part of the Receive Payment screen. The credit memo will appear as a negative amount, and the invoice will appear as a positive amount. The total at the bottom should reflect the net effect of applying the credit. Take a moment to review what QuickBooks has selected. Make sure the correct credit memo is checked and confirm that it's being applied to the invoice you want. If needed, you can uncheck or recheck items to adjust which invoices receive the credit, as long as the amounts line up properly. Once everything looks right, you can save the transaction. At that point, the credit memo is officially applied to the invoice, and your customer's balance will be updated automatically.